Hey guys, it's Maxandro, back with another video, and in this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can make this cool YouTube banner on Android. So let's begin. So I am using Pixel Lab. You can download this app from description below.
The silence fades into the night. Coyotes sing at the moonlight. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Feel the wind touch our face. Let's take a spin to a foreign place. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
I'm using Photoshop Touch. You can download this app from the description below.
I'll hold you close through the night. I won't let go until the sunrise. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Wave goodbye to your city life, and say hello to the desert sky. These open highways are calling our name, and now it's time for us to escape. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape to a world we don't know. Escape into the great unknown. Escape. Let's escape. Let's escape. Let's escape.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you, guys, in the next one. Peace out.